Again, at some point doing these problems, we're at the seventh problem now, that is going to be a, almost an obvious thing to you. I'm not saying it's true, but looking at the first and the last guy, it sure does look like a perfect Q problem. And it looks like 5x minus, again, perfect Q problem, and the 512, and again, I have bigger numbers, I realize that, but 8 times 8 is 64, and 64 times 8, let me write this on the side for you. Well, 8 times 6 is 480, and that's 32. So you get the 512. So I'm going to say it sure does look like 8y. Now, by the way, this could be deceptive. It may be not that. I mean, maybe there's no combination that's going to give me what they're saying over there with nice little finger numbers. So what I'm going to do over here is I want to check it, but I'm really not checking the first and last. I'm checking these guys in the middle, all right? These were always my problems, by the way. So let's write this down. What's it going to be? That middle term would be 3, the first middle term, by the way. I should say the middle terms. So it's going to be 3, 5x squared, and then it would be minus 8y. Well, if you did that arithmetic, that's 25 times 3, which is 75, and then times minus 8. And what would that be? Let's see, 600. Let me just check to make sure that's true. 4 times 75 is 300. Yeah, 600. So what do I get over here? You would get the minus 600 x squared y. This worked out beautifully. Now, by the way, I want to do the next one. The next one's going to be 3, 5x to the first power minus 8y squared. Well, let's do the number. And what do you get over there? Well, you get 15 times 64 now. Well, that's 640, and then 320, and that's 960, all right? That's exactly what we're looking at over there. Do you get the xy squared? Of course we are. Now, someone says these are written to work nicely. You're not kidding, but the problem is you may believe everything is written to work nicely. It is not. We're not trying to trick you, but we think it's in your best interest to check these things. Of course, there's a key over here, and the key reflects what we just did. Thank you.